All right, it's a beautiful morning here in Laughlin. It's a Friday morning. I'm getting ready to head out to take the bags to each one of my kids. Very simply, I put, as I said on the previous video, I put all the materials into individual brown bags. And I've got them all in the van here, ready to be delivered. This particular bag is going to one of my youth. All of these, I've got about 20 of them, so I'm gonna make 20 stops this morning. But what I'm gonna do is a no contact drop off. So I'm just gonna go to each individual house or apartment, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk up to the door, drop it at the door, and then I'm gonna ring the doorbell, and I'm gonna jet. All right, so real simple, a way in which you can package an activity for your youth. Again, it doesn't have to be these electromagnets. It can be a number of different 4-H activities that you can put together, put into a brown bag, drop them off at the door. You're letting your youth know you're caring about them, you miss them, and you're also letting them know that no matter where they are, they can do 4-H. All right, so here we come. All right, here we are, first house. I'm gonna go deliver it to the door, knock a few times, and then I'm gonna leave. All right, that's it. And then I'm just gonna, like I say, I'm gonna repeat that about 20 times, and I'll deliver all of my kits to my kids. All right? So I'm back, all of the bags are officially delivered. And so that's it. Just taking the bags out to the kids, dropping them off at their homes, and letting them take the activity from there. But even though that's the end of this particular video, tune in next week, because the kids, all the youth that actually have done the activity, are gonna send me either pictures or videos of them doing the activity. And so I'm really excited about next week's video, because it's gonna be mostly the youth, my 4-H youth, doing the activity. So you're not gonna wanna miss next week. Again, thanks for tuning in to this series. I've really enjoyed getting this out to my kids and hearing them say that they get to do 4-H again. So that's been very exciting to me. So again, tune in next week and you're gonna get to see some of their videos actually doing the electromagnets, all right? Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. Looking forward to next week. I hope you are too. So until then, keep on 4-Hing.